Hello again. Until now, Swift has mentioned how a spider lived in the topmost corner of the highest wall of the St. James Library. In the mock epic manner of writing, he describes spider's web as a mansion, as a castle, a fort, and so on and so forth. And suddenly, by chance, a wandering bee flies in through the broken window and happens to crash against spider's web, which causes damage to the web. Now let's see what happens next in the essay. Thrice he endeavored to force his passage, and thrice the center shook. Thrice he, bee. He's talking about the bee. So for 3 times, the bee tried to escape or make way, tried to force his passage, and thrice the center shook. The bee tried to escape, and thrice the palace, the web, shook to its foundation. The spider within, feeling the terrible convulsion, supposed at first that nature was approaching to her final dissolution. The spider who was at the center of the web felt the dreadful shaking and thought at first that the world is about to end, that the nature was approaching to her final dissolution, or else the Beelzebub with all his legions was come to revenge the death of many thousands of his subjects, whom his enemy had slain and devoured. Or else Beelzebub is the lord of the flies, the protector of the flies. So what did a spider think? Beelzebub with all his legions, with all his soldiers, his troops, has come to take revenge upon the spider, because the spider feeds on the flies and on similar other small creatures. So the spider thinks that Beelzebub has come to take revenge of all the killings by the spider of his subjects, of his devotees, that is the flies. So the flies that had been killed and eaten by the spider was come to revenge the death of many thousands of his subjects, whom his enemy had slain. Slain means had killed, and devoured. Devoured means had eaten. However, he at length valiantly resolved to shew forth and meet his fate. However, the spider at last bravely decided to come out of his web. Issue forth means to come out, to move forward. Valiantly means bravely. Resolved means determined. So the spider was determined. He was not afraid. He decided to come out and meet his fate. Meanwhile, the bee had acquitted himself of his toils, and posted securely at some distance, was employed in cleansing his wings and disengaging them from the ragged remnants of the cobweb. Meanwhile, now during this whole time, the bee had acquitted himself of his toils. The bee flew away from the web and sat at some distance, and she was employed in cleansing his wings from threads which had sticked to his body, the thread of the spider's web, disengaging them from the ragged remnants of the cobweb. She was cleaning herself from the threads of the spider's web that had clinged to his body. By this time, the spider was adventured out, when beholding the chasms, the ruins, and dilapidations of his fortress, he was very near at his wits' end. By this time, the spider had bravely come out. Adventured out means he came out when beholding the chasms and when he looked at the cracks. Chasm means the cracks, the destruction, the rift caused by the fluttering of the bee. And when he saw those cracks which had been formed as a result of some of the threads being torn off by the bee, the damage caused to his castle, he was very near at his wits' end. He became mad with anger. He was very furious seeing the destruction caused by the bee, swore like a madman, and swelled till he was ready to burst. He was very angry and he swore like a madman who was ready to burst upon. Now, let us stop here.